Hello and welcome back to Insta TV. Let's take another look at the financial markets. After Jerome Powell's speech, traders considered the US dollar overvalued and began to sell it. In the morning, the US currency dipped against most major currencies. Market participants are now more certain about the upcoming key rate cut. Jerome Powell said that he did not consider the current Fed's balance sheet an obstacle to the resumption of the asset purchases in the future. More likely, the Fed's chairman gave a hint about the possible return to quantitative easing as a policy tool. Presently, traders are expecting 3 rate cuts. They are also suggesting a rate cut of 0.5% in July. However, the Fed is unlikely to take such a step. Additionally, Bullard has repeatedly said that a rate cut of 0.5% is too much. For what it's worth, a 0.25% rate reduction seems quite inevitable. Traders made such conclusion after Powell emphasized the risks which the global trade and economy, including the US, are facing. Moreover, the Fed had talked a lot about low inflation in the country, despite the fact that earlier he considered it as a temporary situation. The US dollar had immediately tumbled amid such comments. On Thursday, the US currency increased losses against its rivals, trading at 96.92. Meanwhile, the dollar-yen pair rose to the level of 108.12. It's located in the red zone despite its early gains. Today, the dollar-yen pair is trading in a bearish channel. If the US inflation data are weak, its quotes will continue to fall to the area of 107 points. As usual, safe haven assets such as the yen, the Swiss franc and gold are thriving on market volatility. The Australian dollar also took advantage of the greenback's weakness. The quotes of the Australian versus the US dollar pair returned to growth. The Aussie was unaffected by weak macroeconomic data published on Wednesday. Besides, it was supported by positive data on mortgage loans. In May, the indicator reached a zero after the decrease in April, while investors expected a drop. At the Asian session, the Australian versus the US dollar pair was trading at 0.6977. Overall, Powell's comments boosted the risk appetite and hinted at the interest rate reduction by 25 basis points at the end of July, which is already priced in the quotes. Therefore, the US dollar's correctional decline may be short-term. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.